As you can see, there's a small flock right there. Not even a flock, a small group. Not even a group, a small family. A flock would be like maybe 100 to 1,000 times of what you can visually count right there, which is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, about 19. So about 1,000 times 19 would be a flock, or maybe a group, probably a group, and a flock would be 100,000 or 10,000 times bigger. But those things also eat meat. They don't go for meat right away until they get bigger. But this educational videos, people, family, androids. That one's pretty big. Doesn't look big because it's way up there, but it's actually pretty big.